Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to remove friends from Clash of Clans game using your mobile device. If you want to delete or remove a friend from your friends list on Clash of Clans, first of all open up your Clash of Clans games on your device. Make sure that you're logged into the account, and once logged in, go ahead and tap on your profile picture or your name at the top left corner. Now click on Social from the top menu and all of your friends will be displayed under the Friends tab. Select one of the friends you want to delete and tap on their profile picture, and in the pop-up, click on Remove Friend. Click on OK to confirm that you want to delete the friend, and once you do that, the person will be removed from your friend list. So that was how you can easily remove a friend from Clash of Clans. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.